Alright, welcome back to the channel. We're back in the garage. We're going to be working on another C10 build today. We haven't been working on C10s for a while. We've been working on the bugs, so I'm glad to have another C10 in the shop. We have Dazz with us today. I have her information below. Go down and give her a follow. She's going to be helping us out with the C10. Again, just like in R9 garage style, we're not going to be doing a will it run. We're going to be doing a will it look good. So, you know, we're all about cleaning up our vehicles before we get working on them. You think you're going to be able to handle this?
I feel like I'll make it look good.
So, we're going to be going outside. I'll let you guys see, check it out, see what it looks like. Get a once over and then see if we can actually make this thing look good.
Let's have fun.
Alright. So here's the 65. You can see it's in decent shape, just really filthy. It's got a lot of oxidation. I think it should clean up pretty well. I got it in an auction out in Nevada. Pretty decent price, especially for nowadays. Doesn't have too much rust or rot in it. Front end does need to be adjusted and stuff like that. Interior looks pretty decent on it. Bed, somebody put a steel plate in it. I'm gonna take that out, see what's underneath it. I was looking up underneath it. It looks like the wood's there, but I wasn't able to tell how solid it was. Tailgate looks nice on it. Wheels are leave something to be desired. Looks like his last registered, or it's the only thing that shows any sort of registration or any type of activity in 91. So it looks like it's been off the road for quite a while. But overall, it's decent, pretty straight. It looks like somebody reprimered the front. I'm going to show you guys in another video how to strip this primer off and get down to the red, so we can get it all red. But overall, it's a decent truck, so let's get to cleaning it up and see how good we can make it look.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and And I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Then it's your chance to be ruthless. Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Chance to be ruthless. They don't wanna see me make it, they don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb. And I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
see, with a little bit of washing and scrubbing, well, and a great helper, truck looks a lot better.
I agree.
Yeah, so I'm gonna be putting, of course it desperately needs wheels and tires. Luckily I have a set of original red paint 60 to 66 steel wheels, so I'm gonna be putting those on it. I'll insert a video right here of me mounting new tires on them, and then we'll put those on right now. That should complete the look, and then I'm thinking this paint should buff out. I'm either gonna try and either buff it out or clear coat it, and then like I said, we'll do a video on removing the primer from the front end just to get it all red, and then we'll see where we go from there. Once we get it all one color and looking good, I'll do a video of will it run. Other than that, I hope you liked it. How'd you like working on it?
I enjoyed it. It was hot.
I think Dazz is hot. So if you guys liked her on the channel, I think she's gonna be making some more appearances on the channel. Please comment down below. You want to come back?
Yeah. Hope you guys have a great day.
All right. Thanks, guys. All right, so I have the perfect set of wheels to go with our 65 C10. Their original set of 62 to 66 C10 steel wheels, 15-inch, original red. As you can see, some of them still have the original markings from the manufacturer. They're, like I said, 62 to 66, definitely because they're nub. 60, 61 would have had clips. So yeah, let's clean these up and clear coat them. You've seen in a couple of my other videos, but clean them up, clear coat them, and get some tires mounted and balanced on them. I'm going to get started by removing all the valve stems and wheel weights. Then we'll spray them down with a little bit of water real quick, and then hit them with, I use Home Depot's version of the CLR. You want to mix it 50-50. I usually just mix it in a tray, 50-50, half of that, half water. You want it as warm as possible, and then I use like a SOS scouring pad, or you can even use some of the sanding pads. So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna let these dry. I'm gonna air them dry between the cracks and stuff like that. Make sure they're completely bone dry, and then we'll clear coat them. I'll show you the clear coat process. Since we used a scuffing pad right here, we don't need to scuff them again. Everything's good. So pretty much let them bone dry, air out any of the cracks so water doesn't drip out, and then clear coat them. This wheel I might go over one more time. It's all 5 wheels. One was underneath. I think this one was underneath. So it probably got, 60 years of road grime. But other than that, they're pretty decent, especially for a nice patina build. All right, so the wheels are all bone dry. I went over them with Windex to basically take off any grease or whatever. So they're ready to paint. I'm gonna go over them with a light coat of Bulldog real quick, and then all the other coats will be duplicolor gloss. So this is an engine enamel. It'll withstand high heat, and then also it won't break down with any sort of brake oil or any type of contaminants that basically you'll see on the road. Other paints, basically brake oil, gasoline, this and that, can actually break it down and strip the paint or clear right off of it. So it's best to use something like this. All right, temperature's pretty good today, so I'm gonna probably let it dry for about 5 minutes or less, and then hit it with the duplicolor gloss. Normally I'll space out 10 minutes between coats, a little less with the Bulldog because it's a adhesion promoter, so you don't want it to fully dry, you still want it to be tacky, and that's the thing, you want it to basically help grab and adhere the top coat. All right, so I'm gonna hit it with my first coat of the duplicolor. I'm gonna go light on the first coat, and then all second, third, and fourth coat, if I do a fourth coat, will be heavy. All right, make sure you rotate them. This way you don't get any shadows of maybe where the clear didn't hit the underneath because you're not shooting underneath. So rotate them like 180 degrees and then spray them your next 2 coats. All right, say one more coat and we're done. Done. All right, so they're all done. I'm just gonna let them dry about 24 hours before I mount tires on them. I just placed the caps on these bottom 2 so you can actually see what they would look like. I'd say it came out really, really nice. You see, especially compared to what we started with. I don't think the gloss is too shiny. I think it's just right. So again, steps are basically just CLR, the Home Depot brand. I'll have the links in the bottom. Then scuff them up. You could do that basically while you're cleaning them with the CLR. Then going over them with a wax and grease remover or Windex, and then Bulldog for an additional adhesion promoter, and then the duplicolor engine enamel clear coat. And that's pretty much your finished product. All right, let's get these wheels mounted and balanced. So I think that's a huge transformation. Just the wheels, cleaning it. I'm gonna probably definitely fix that hood. I think it needs a new hood hinge. You seen it had another hinge inside, so I'm gonna swap that out. See if that fixes that, align it, and then probably get started on polishing it out. I think it should polish out fairly easy. This paint looks like it should come back to life. So polish it out, see what it looks like. I'll probably do an episode on that. And then definitely take out the sheet metal in the rear bed, show you guys what that looks like. But definitely it's a night and day. Just what a quick wash does, and wheels, tires can do for his truck. This truck really looks nice right now. Stay tuned for the next episode on this truck. We'll get it running and do a few more things. And again, if you haven't done so already, please like and subscribe down below. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you like a lot of the C10 content. We're going to be doing a lot more of it. We'll be back on the bug again. We'll be bringing in other content too, for those of you guys that aren't into either C10s or bugs. We'll get back on the luxury cars again, bringing the BMW back in the garage and the Mercedes. And then I have a couple other vehicles that I picked up that we'll be bringing in too, to bring you guys a little bit more diverse stuff. So again, thank you guys, and see you in the next episode.